Hello everyone. Join me to bake this wonderfully fragrant and delicious bread. To start, add 1 egg. Add 110 grams of milk. And 30 grams of sugar. Please add 3 grams of instant yeast. And add 50 grams of condensed milk. Start mixing. Add 300 grams of bread flour. Divide all the flour into 2 parts and sift it just like I do. Please leave a comment and share your thoughts, it truly means the world to me. Mix gently to avoid lumps. Add the flour into additions. Now, add 3 grams of salt. Mix gently to avoid lumps. Add 30 grams of unsalted butter. Gently mix the butter with your hands just like I do until it's well combined. Please like and share to help our baking community grow. It's now well combined. Grease the bottom of the bowl with a little oil. Let the dough rise in a warm place for 50 minutes. 50 minutes later. Sprinkle some flour on the table. Watch my hands and continue just like I do. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin just like I do. Please try this recipe and tell me how your bread turned out. Look at my hands and fold the dough just like I do. Let the dough rest for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later. Sprinkle some flour on the table. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin just like I do. Look at my hands and roll the dough just like I do. Please leave a heart in the comments if you love homemade bread. Let the dough rise for 50 minutes in a warm place. After 50 minutes, our dough has nicely puffed up. Sprinkle some flour. Score the dough just like I do. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Here is our beautiful and fragrant bread. It's incredibly soft and fragrant. Thank you for baking this bread with me. Be sure to try it, you'll love it.